Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to merge cells Notion. So first thing first, you want to log into your Notion.so. You want to log into your account. Alright, so once you log in on this page right here, on this main page, so now we're gonna add a template. Okay, so right here you go down to template. Right, so there are multiple templates to use from. Okay, and you can search for whatever type of template you want. Okay, so but for this tutorial we're gonna go with, all right, so since we're trying to create a travel plan, so we're gonna go with this. So you can preview it or just add to my workspace. So I'm gonna add to my workspace, markup better. All right, so as you can see, our travel plan has been added. So let's check it out. All right. Okay. All right, so how would we do it if we wanted to merge these two cells, date and location, if we wanted to merge it together? Okay, so if you click on the cell you want to merge right here, dates, you can see edit properties and some other options. So you want to click on edit properties. So right here you can change the type, text, number, emails, date format. You can change the date format, the time format. All right, delete property. So if we try to merge it like this, you see it's not possible. It just changes the location. So Notion has not implemented a way to merge two cells together. So the best thing you can do is just make them a little bit smaller to each other to have enough space, and you can add new cells. So this is basically how to use Notion to create a cell. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.